If you put a finger on my sister, guaranteed your head pop, pop, pop just like blister. I might smile and grin, but trust me, darling, when it comes to...
What's good to my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. It's your girl Miss Sids and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm gonna do like a cute little get ready with me of how I pretty much achieve my clean minimal makeup look, especially in summer. If you're based in the UK, we've been experiencing some scorcher hot weather, so this is the type of routine that I like to do where I pretty much want to go out in the evening so the weather is not too hot and still look cute and put together. And yeah, so I thought let me just film this with you guys. This is also in collaboration with ULA Hair. Is it ULA? I mean, I don't know, let me say that right. ULA Hair. So yeah, we're gonna be trying out, or I'm gonna be slapping this on and showing you guys how I achieve my minimal makeup look and also rocking this unit. They sent me a 20-inch 250 density straight Brazilian hair. It comes with the combs inside of the unit, also with the adjustable strap at the back, so you can obviously adjust it to your head size. It also comes with other little few goodies as well, like some options of headbands, a wig cap, which is very essential, and I like this very dark brown wig cap color as well. Also comes with some pair of lashes, which looks a little bit cute, and the instruction manual as well, and also a tail comb. So considering it comes in a nice little bag like this as well, it does come with some few goodies. Now please do not watch the unit, but when I say I've been rocking this now, and it's funny because I'm not really a huge fan rocking headband wigs because I've got 5 head. My hairline's kind of receding due to like having kids, and I just like lace frontals. But for those that's like me and you're always on the go and you just want to run a few errands like school runs, food shopping and all that goodness, this is actually really convenient to wear. And also I am trying to expose my 5 head because girl, when I said the tan, the skin tone demarcation between my forehead, my face and my hairline is a joke. And yeah, it's just easy. So we're gonna slap this on. We're gonna try and do something with the edges and whatever, get this together, and yeah, and then I can show you guys my makeup. So my natural hair is cane rolled underneath because obviously I wear wigs, which needs to come out, to be fair. And I was never really blessed with a strong like hairline even before pregnancy, and even when it comes to like baby hairs, I don't have like wholly thick baby hairs, but with this headband wig it really has, you know, pretty much encouraged me to try and expose my 5 head, you know. And also when it comes to like summertime, and you just don't have hair in your face, you just feel better, you know. So please don't judge me how I do my baby hairs because I am not a pro. I don't really do the baby hair them, you understand? But I could do a little something. Just a little something. Way I am using the Gummy Professional Styling Wax. I like to use this instead of like gel because where my hair is natural, I don't know what type of hair, so please don't ask me, but it's very curly, like I've got very tight coil curls, so gels and stuff like that don't tend to work on my hair type well enough. But this does a little something. So like in terms of the hair texture, it's really nice. I haven't really experienced any much shedding. I haven't washed this hair though for about a week, I'm not gonna lie, and I haven't even straightened it for about a week, so it's actually really nice and silky. But you could probably see that it looks a bit more coarse because I haven't really washed it and straightened it out and made it all sleek. But to be honest, I don't need to keep straightening this hair because it literally stays quite straight, even though you probably could see a little kink in there, but that doesn't really bother me, especially once again when I do tend to wear this hair when I'm doing my errands. I'm in a business. Me I run to Tesco and pick up my picnic then from school, so I don't really business about that. But I probably will straighten it in a little piece for you guys, but that is just me installing it, and that is it. It's just so quick and easy. Like, don't need to think about if your lace is laying and if your frontal is lifting. Like, you just slap it on like a hat and you're pretty much good to go. So anyway, let's get into makeup. My brows are already done. I just like them lightly, filled them in because I got my brows freshly threaded, so it doesn't require too much like concealing and filling them in and shaping. So that's pretty much done. So I'm going to prime my face because even though it's simple beat, I need to prime my face. So I'm actually going to be using a lot of my favorite go-to products that I've been using recently. So the first thing I'm going to mention is my primer from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. If you're new to the channel, I am normal to dry combination skin, so I need hydration. Like, it's a must. Okay, now this routine of mine is actually quite different because when I do less is more, I follow the underpainting routine because I feel like that routine requires you using less foundation. I'm gonna apply my concealer first, and the concealer that I've been loving, I mean cannot put down, is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. And because it's literally like a nice medium to full coverage concealer, and then it's lightweight at the same time, I just think this is just a really beautiful formula to use like an everyday wear. This is what I'm gonna be using, girl, and the shade I'm using is Salted Caramel 7.3. Now I'm just gonna get my Maybelline Mitchell sponge and blend this out. Now this sponge is actually dry. I know I stand by for a damp sponge, but when I blend out this concealer with a dry sponge, it allows me to give me more coverage. Yeah, just more coverage, you know, because I'm allowing this shadow right here for my hyperpigmentation and treat it as a contour. I can pretty much leave it like this, to be fair, because I just like a little bit of warmth. Obviously I'm gonna go in with this bronzer, like, let's be real. So this is from Made by Mitchell in the shade and Laid, one of their cream blush bronzers. This gives it nice warmth, and because it's got like a really nice demi matte formula, you don't really need to set it. I set it because I'm a creature of habit, so I like the feeling of setting it. But to be honest, if you don't, girl, you don't need to, because it literally melts into the skin, but then it gives you that semi-matte finish. So I'm only using a little bit because this is very pigmented, and to be honest, I'll probably use a little bit too much, to be fair, but it's okay. We're just gonna go with the flow. Okay, so now my sponge is damp. I'm just going to press in my concealer once again, and then the same sponge, I'm just gonna do this to kind of do like reverse contouring, I guess, just to emphasize like I got a little something there. Okay, so usually what I would do is apply like a translucent powder, which usually is my Laura Mercier one, and then my Charlotte Tilbury, but because I do the less is more, I'm just gonna go straight in the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade number 4. So number 3 would be a nicer shade, well, not a nicer shade, but probably a better shade to emphasize more of the highlighted look. But I don't really tend to do like a bright under eye, but I don't tend to do a bright under eye look anymore. So, oh, something went in my eye, girl. God damn. Oh. Yeah, so I don't really tend to do a bright under eye anymore. So number 4 I prefer to use, and it just nicely like sets. Obviously I have to do my eyelids as well because they get oily. Honestly guys, this is like my realistic. I'm not doing more on camera. I'm not trying to be extra. Like, this is as realistic as it goes. So it probably doesn't even look as, you know, flawless in comparison how I usually do my makeup, but I'm showing you guys the real things. So, you know, obviously regardless, I have to go in with like my blush. So I'm gonna use my Made by Mitchell one, and using the Made by Mitchell brush as well. I'm just gonna dabble that because, girl, no matter how simple my makeup is, I need blush, okay? I need color on my face. If I do not have no blush on my face, it just does not sit well with my spirit at all. And just to add some glow to my face, I do love using the Made by Mitchell blush highlights. or light in the shade Copper Core. Now the only thing about this formula, like, you just need to know how to blend this, because realistically applying it straight on the face is not the greatest way, especially if you're not used to these formulas. But just blend. So yeah, so with that product I really love it, and like when you just keep blending, it just gives this really nice lit from within glow. So at first you can see where you apply the product straight on your face, so when you use this blush light, try to apply it on the back of your hand and then use the tool to blend it. But when you just keep blending and blending, it's just looking cute, you know. Set the lower part of my face, especially around my mouth area, because I do tend to get creasing around my mouth area. So I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Glowish powder in the shade 12 Rich. As you can see, I've hit pan. I can't remember the last time I've hit pan using a makeup product, so you know that I love this. So I'm dry, normal and oily. Like, I just get really oily on my eyelids. It's a joke. So I like to use that same powder just to apply on my eyelids, just to really set it. But you can probably see that it actually plays and acts like an eyeshadow. So because this Glowish powder also has a really nice undertone, and where my center of my face is highlighted, I use the same brush just to run it down the bridge of my nose, just to pretty much act like I'm contouring my nose as well. So you may have seen a difference, because all I had on my nose was the concealer to highlight. So when I do this, it just brings a little bit more definition to my nose without actually using a contour or cream contour shade, if that makes sense. So you see what I did there? Did you guys see that? Did you see that? Don't lie. You saw it, girl. You saw it. My blush pretty much has faded, and blushes tend to fade very easily on my skin. So once again, with another Huda Beauty Glowish product, the Glowish Blush in the shade Berry Juicy. Like, if you don't like blush, but you like blush, but you don't like to look too blushed, this is for you. Like, it's just has the most subtle, natural formula with a little bit of sheen, so it gives like that youthful glow to your skin at the same time. And this shade, especially on dark skin, in my opinion, just looks so nice and flattering. And that's what I do, just use a big fluffy brush so it's not too concentrated, and this literally just pat 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 pat, and then you're just good to go. That's it. We don't need no more. Even though I do want to apply some more, I'm not gonna lie, but we don't need no more. So now I'm gonna add some mascara, because I am gonna apply some lashes. Naturally speaking, even though I've got little itty bitty lashes, I will be very happy just to go with some mascara and then I'm good to go. But I am gonna apply some lashes, I'm not gonna lie. And the mascara that I'm using, which is also one of my favorites, I don't mix and blend and try new mascaras because I'm boring like that, but the one from Revolution, the 5D Lash Mascara, has literally been a staple in my collection. So this is what I've used, just a little piece. And then I'm gonna come off camera, apply my lashes, get back, do the rest of the hair. And then yeah. Okay, so this is the face so far. And I actually applied the lashes that were sent in the package with the hair. And usually when hair companies send out lashes, they're actually quite trash, like very big and just plasticky, but these are actually really nice and wispy. I did cut them because I'm starting to like the whole sort of like half lash look, so I did cut them, and they're actually quite cute. Like, I'm really not mad at them. So I'm just going to use my brush from Morphe that I used to apply my bronzer, just to blend the bronzer into my hairline, where obviously I had my bandana on. My lips are so dry, Jesus. But I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna do my lips last because obviously I'm gonna do my hair and I don't want my hair to be getting in contact with my lips. So I'm just gonna use my Morphe Continuous Scent Spray, which is like my favorite scent spray of all time, just to, you know, set the face. So whilst that is marinating, I'm just gonna quickly just run the straightener through my hair. Like I said, it doesn't really need too much straightening. Oh, is my hair sticking up? Ciao. But yeah, it doesn't need too much straightening. Like, I'm not really too mad at the little bed hair look, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. So let me just quickly run the straighteners, play some jams, and do that. This song has got me in the chokehold. I love the all over. is just really nice. The quality is beautiful. Hardly any flyaways. Like I'm combing. Nothing. Like literally it's so good. And even though headband wigs are not my favorite to wear like on me when I feel glam and going out type of hairstyle, for a running about type of hair, quick fix, yeah, this hair's nice. Like it bang. And I just don't really have much complaints. So I think I'm gonna put on this headband just to zhuzh it up a bit. As I'm wearing black, I mean, why not? Just alright, do I have, okay. You know what, I haven't even worn one of these headbands. Like I literally just wear the band on its own. Like that's how ghetto I am. But this is cute. Should I have it on the side? No, let me have it in the middle. Okay. Yeah, I'm feeling this now. Okay, yeah. This is a vibe. Last thing we're just gonna do is lips. Now this has been my favorite combo, and I know I'm so late to do this, yeah. And when I shared this on TikTok, like people was just like, girl, why was you not doing this before? But ever since I've been doing it, I literally cannot go back. I am a simple gloss type of person, so really and truly, I will probably just wear my Fenty Bomb Lip Cream Gloss in the shade Hot Chocolate, and I'm pretty much good to go. That is literally my favorite go-to one. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. You guys should know this already. If it's not MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, it is this baby girl. I've been meaning to get the shade Richie. Is it Richie from Morphe? But it keeps, like, is this always out of stock? I don't know what the hell's going on. Then I get the Made by Mitchell blush or BLURSH in the shade A Shy Boy. If you guys do not have this, you're missing out. Like, this is so nice for literally a lot of things. Such a universal product. So I get a little bit of a Shy Boy because it's just that perfect pink. Like, it's just stunning. My hands are clean, but I'm my business, so don't come for me. And then to highlight there, okay, like it's so soft and smooth. It's like a moussey texture on the lips. It doesn't feel moussey on the face, but applying on the lips, because it's so nice and soft, it's just like the best thing. My lips a little bit more. Go with a gloss. I'm just using the end of one of these lip shine glosses from NYX, because you guys know me love a gloss. I don't really do matte looks on my lips. And this is the combo. You see this combo right here? No, can anyone have chat with me? Okay guys, so this is the final completed look. Like, this is my realistic, minimal, clean makeup for summer season, and this is it. Like, ever since I've been trying to hack the whole underpainting routine, it is golden. Like, literally hardly foundation. Just concealer and blush, girl. Like, that's all you need. Just a little bit of concealer, some blush, and you're good to go. Like, hardly any powders. Just not too much going on, but you still look put together. Definitely shout out once again to ULA Hair for sending me out this unit, and I will leave the description down below. Like, she has just been a win-win. When I'm lazy and I just want a quick fix, girl, she is coming out the closet and I'm slapping this on my head like one time. So, and thank you to you guys for watching this video, especially if you have watched it from beginning to the end. I will leave all the details in the description box below, and I would love to see you guys in the next one. Bye.